Today, we going to review the top 5 best heavy-duty steam cleaner, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
DUPRAY Neat Steam Cleaner. DUPRAY Neat Steam Cleaner is an efficient, ultra-reliable do-it-all cleaning and sanitation solution. This cleaner is designed for performance, ease of use, and durability, and it does justice to the mission it has been released to the market by its manufacturers. DUPRAY Neat is a good steam cleaner, and it is a lightweight and portable one. It works great on all surfaces and can reach anywhere and can give you a better result than other cleaners. This machine can be compared with the cleaning power of much larger professional vacuums, and it might not back behind that much with these larger vacuums.
Number 2.
Mcculloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner. The Mcculloch MC1375 is designed for doing large steam cleaning jobs such as carpets, and it also great at deep cleaning the whole house to get rid of any hidden bacteria and germs lurking in there. It works great for this exact reason. But even more importantly, it is affordable for the majority of people. The MC1375 is a professional solution for people looking to do serious steam cleaning. This product can tackle heavy-duty jobs. It is perfect for most floors, furniture and fixtures, appliances, grout and tiles, and countertops.
Number 3.
ThermaPro 12-in-1. ThermaPro 12-in-1 by PureSteam can clean away all the corners of your home that need immediate attention. You will be blown away to see how it cleans the grout or any stubborn stain that is there for ages. It's pretty lightweight for a mop cleaner and maneuverable as well. The reservoir keeps 340 milliliters water for steaming. You can steam for 20 to 25 minutes straight with this in the lowest setting. That becomes half when you do it in the maximum setting. What is most impressive about this cleaner is that all these intense cleanings will be possible at such a low cost. It kills 99% of bacteria and bed bugs because of the heat it produces. This steamers comes with 3 different settings for different needs. It is considered as one of the cheapest steam mop.
Number 4.
Steamfast SF370WH Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. Steamfast SF370WH Multipurpose Steam Cleaner is an elegant steam cleaner for cleaning every tight corner of your house. It will provide you excellent cleaning firepower, including even the grossest parts, grouts in the toilet, and under the furniture. As it comes with excellent performance and usability regarding its features, you definitely should choose this when you intend to buy a steam mop. There is also a scrub tool and microfiber pads included as well. It weighs only about 8.4 pounds, so you can easily move it around where you need to clean. Also, you don't have to worry about storage.
Number 5.
Bissell Steam Mop, Steamer 1806. Have you been using only cleaning pads in your kitchen? This is why your kitchen might be dirtier than it seems. Those pads cannot kill the entire grease development in the kitchen. The mop will leave a fresh spring breeze with its 2 freshening discs, and the cord is 25 feet. So it is very suitable to clean around the home. The steam mop comes with a measuring cup to fill the water tank. This one is also quite fast to get started as it warms up in 30 seconds. With such amazing features and reasonable price buying, Bissell Steam Mop at this price is such a great deal to have. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you like the best heavy-duty steam cleaner we select for this year. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to the best heavy-duty steam cleaner, which are listed here, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.